To facilitate reading, we will set the table of contents for the headings of contents in the long document. Do you know how to set the TOC level correctly? Take this document as an example. If we want to generate the table of contents, click Reference and then click Table of Contents. A blank table of contents is inserted, which is not what we want. We need to set the table of contents for headings in the article. First, select the first bold heading in the article, click the Reference tab, and the TOC level button. At this point, we can see that the heading corresponds to body text originally. Now we can choose Level 1. We continue to set the yellow heading as Level 2 and the green heading as Level 3. Then we can quickly set the rest of the headings in the article to follow this procedure. After setting the TOC level of full text, click the References tab and the Table of Contents button to select a style. Then the table of contents can be generated as needed. Did you get it?